Howdy ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. Put a video out a couple months ago where I fermented some green onions. And at the time, Peggy and Andy Paige, who from Paige Family Homestead, highly recommend visiting them. They do fermentation and dehydration and canning, all kinds of really good food preservation methods. You gotta go check them out. Anyway, they asked me to, once the fermentation was done, to, hey, do a video on checking out what the flavor was like. And well, I never did, so I'm going to now. Pretty cool looking in this big tall jar. Yep. Smells okay, smells like an onion. Let's see, here we go. Are we gonna make a mess? But hey, I'll clean that up later. It's really good. Actually, no. It's actually fine. These are really mild onions. It has an almost salty flavor. I didn't add any additional seasonings or anything because I just wanted to see what the base fermentation would be like. Very mild onion flavor. Not sure what else to compare it to, but it's good. These will be good in salads. Not sure what else is going to be good for it, but anyway, hey, Andy, Peggy, there you go. They're pretty good. So hey, thanks for watching, guys. God bless y'all. See you next time.